Looking for the best SDR transceiver in 2025? Whether you're a seasoned ham operator, a digital mode enthusiast, or just diving into the world of QRP, these top 5 SDR transceivers offer the perfect mix of performance, portability, and precision. From full-band coverage to advanced DSP features and open-source flexibility, this list has something for everyone. Ready to upgrade your shack or take your signals on the go? Let's dive into the top contenders of the year.
And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss the latest picks.
At number 5. HanGeek USDR plus 5W QRP HF 8-band. Are you trying to find a small, feature-rich QRP radio? In a small compact, the HAMGEEK USDR Plus offers great performance. This little transceiver, which supports 8-band SSB/CW, is ideal for both home and field use. It has a built-in speaker and microphone, a 1602 LCD, and a 4,000 mAh battery that allows for 5W output while on the road. 4 FT8, JS8, or FT4 digital modes connect it to your PC. Bonus: you receive extra band access and AM/FM as presents. Lightweight, durable, and USB rechargeable, the USDR Plus is a serious tool for amateur radio enthusiasts. At number 4. USDR uSDX plus V2. If you're into amateur radio, this full-mode SDR transceiver is a powerful and compact solution. It supports 8 HF bands from 80M to 10M and modes like SSB, CW, AM, and FM. With DSP features including AGC, Vox, and noise reduction, it delivers clear signal quality. Built with premium components and a 10W max output at 13.8V, it's ideal for serious operators. Plus, the open-source firmware allows customization for advanced users. Whether you're at home or in the field, this rig is ready for reliable, high-performance communication. At number 3. XIEGU G106CG1065W. A compact 5W QRP SDR transceiver built for performance and portability. It covers 0.55 to 30 MHz with SSB, CW, and AM transmit on all HF bands, plus WFM reception from 88 to 108 MHz. With 16-bit SDR architecture and digital CW filters, it's perfect for pulling in weak signals. Add the optional DE19 adapter to unlock digital modes like FT8. Whether you're starting out or going portable, the G106 is a powerful and affordable way to explore HF radio. At number 2. BS18815W HF SDR Transceiver. This SDR HF QRP transceiver is a global favorite with over 30,000 users, perfect for radio hobbyists, students, and DIY tech lovers. Compact and full-featured, it supports SSB, CW, PSK31, JT65, and more. With a color display, DSP noise reduction, and dynamic waterfall view. You can even tweak the source code for custom upgrades. Built-in USB sound card, internal mic, PTT, and support for external amps make it great for field use or emergency comms. A powerhouse in your pocket for serious QRP adventures. At number 1. HAMGEEK new MCHF version 0.6.315W. A well-liked SDR HF QRP transceiver with more than 30,000 users worldwide. It is small, packed with features, and ideal for students, developers, and do-it-yourselfers. It has DSP noise reduction, spectrum waterfall display, complete ham band support, and even an integrated USB sound card for digital modes like JT65 and FT8. It is perfect for field operations or emergency communications because of its 1015W transmit power, changeable firmware, and colorful, humanized interface. This is a real QRP powerhouse in your hands, whether you're speaking, learning, or exploring.